Hey loves, welcome to today's video where we'll be doing some high quality professional salon grade DIY press-on nails. Now these nails that I did for today's video would easily run me over $100 at a salon. So I'm going to be showing you guys my tips and tricks and the products that I use to get these super easy, super inexpensive DIY press-on nails. To start creating our press-on nails, we're gonna need a few things. First, I like to start with an acrylic practice base. We're gonna use this base to actually mount our acrylic nail pieces. It's gonna make it super easy to paint and add your decals, and then you can go ahead and remove them afterwards. Next, we're gonna need our full coverage clear acrylic nails. These are super inexpensive on Amazon, and I'll link everything down below. Since I like a medium length nail, I'm using my acrylic nail cutter to cut the tips off. Then I'm just going ahead and smoothing out the edges with a nail file. I'm going to be using gel polish for my press-on nails today. However, you can use any nail polish that you have at home to create your designs. Lastly, you're going to need some mounting putty to attach your acrylic nails to your nail base. A little disclaimer before we start, I am not a certified nail technician nor a cosmetologist, so just keep that in mind. These are just my DIY nails that I do at home. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is mount our acrylic nails to our base. I'm just taking a very small amount of mounting putty, rolling it up, sticking it onto the back of the clear nail, and then pressing it onto the base. Once we have all 10 nails applied, we can go ahead and start painting. And for today, I'm using the NCLA Gelish Volume X gel polish. I'm going to be doing 3 thin coats of this polish and then curing in between each coat. If you're using regular nail polish, just make sure to let it dry down completely in between layers. Also, I want to point out, I know my natural nails are looking pretty rough. I am a nail biter, unfortunately, so press-on nails are really the only thing that helps me stop. And not only do they keep the nail biting under control, but press-ons are great for growing out your natural nails because if applied and removed correctly, they shouldn't cause any damage. So if you're looking at my nails throughout this video, just know I needed a fresh pair of press-ons. Alright, so now we're going to get into the fun part, which is applying our designer decals. But first I'm just spraying the nails with a bit of nail polish remover to remove that sticky, shiny layer. If you're using regular nail polish, of course, just go ahead and skip this step. I got these LV decals from Amazon, but they were a little bit pricey, so I will link some less expensive ones down below as well. But these were super fun to create a nail look, and basically what I did was just went through each sticker, kind of planned out where I wanted to put everything, and then start applying. To add a bit more dimension to the nail, I'm going to go ahead and freehand some black tips. What I especially love about gel polish is that if you make a mistake, you can go in with some nail polish remover and just clean it up before you cure it. I'm going to be doing 3 thin layers of black gel polish and then curing in between each step. And once it's completely dry, I'm going in with a really cute gold chain decal and just spicing it up. To finish up the nails and set the decals in place, I'm using my Gelish top coat. I'm just applying a thin layer of top coat to each nail and then putting them in my UV light. And that is it. We have our press-on nails. Lastly, I'm going to spray them with some nail polish remover to remove that sticky layer, and then we're going to start peeling off our nails from the nail base. Now these should come off pretty easily. If they don't, you can always take a bit of nail polish remover to remove the excess putty from the back. And after this step, we're ready to apply our press-on nails. Now I'll be doing a separate video on how I personally apply my press-on nails to make them last for weeks at a time. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for that one. And here are our absolutely gorgeous press-on nails. I'm so happy with how they came out. They look beautiful, expensive, stunning, symmetrical, and I didn't have to go to the nail salon, so that's a major plus. I'm just finishing them up with a bit of cuticle oil to complete the look, and damn girl, I am obsessed with these. They look so bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I gave you a fun little project to do during your quarantine. You can make multiple sets of these, so once you're done with one, you can go ahead and apply your next set. Thanks again, loves. I'll see you in my next video.